Alright, white blood cells. What are white blood cells? They're blood cells. Oh, wow, who would have thought? And they're part of the immune system. And they're also called leukocytes. So leuko means white and cyte means cell. So it's in the name itself. And they have specific functions depending on the type, but in general they phagocytize bacteria and debris, or they mount the immune responses. Alright, first one is going to be neutrophils. They make up most of your white blood cells, around roughly half, and they are the first ones to respond to invaders. Since they're the first responders, they will also send signals to all our other cells. And they attack invaders through phagocytosis or endocytosis. These cells also have a short lifespan of just 8 hours, so it's gonna live life to the fullest in those 8 hours. And over here we have a happy neutrophil, and as you can see, they have multiple segments of the nucleus, and that's what distinguishes them. Alright, next one is eosinophils. They are less than 5% of your white blood cells, but they are of high concentration in the digestive tract. And their main role is to respond to infections with parasites. But they also have a role in allergy symptoms because they might mistaken something such as pollen as an invader, and it causes an immune response. So here it is, a little eosinophil. As you can see, the nucleus has 2 lobes. Alright, next one is basophils, which make up 1% of your white blood cells roughly, and they have a role in asthma. They release histamine and other chemicals which lead to inflammation and bronchoconstriction in the airways. And yeah, here it is. As you can see, the nucleus is usually trilobed or bilobed. Alright, next one, lymphocytes. I can talk a whole lot about it, but I'm just gonna summarize it. So lymphocytes consist of T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes. And T cells, basically, they're responsible for killing the invaders, while B cells are mainly responsible for humoral immunity. And what they do is basically they make antibodies that will remember an infection, so that way your body will be prepared the next time you encounter it. And yeah. Alright, last one, monocytes, which make up 5 to 12% of your white blood cells, and they're the largest out of the 5, so these big boys migrate into tissues, and their role is mainly to clean up dead cells. So they're kind of like the garbage trucks of the immune system. So yeah, those are monocytes.